Okay, we now move on to a second case study. I'd like to invite Micaël Müller. He is Director of the Center of Excellence for Packaging at Migros Industrie, and he will be talking about implementing innovative packaging and non-packaging approaches. Micaël, a warm round of applause. Over to you.
Yes, thank you that I can be here. I already apologize for my English. I will do the best that I can. And we come from the global world to the local retailer Migros. We are quite big in Switzerland, but our global footprint is still small. We have, maybe you know it, Migros has also its own industry. We have large scale of part of our categories. Products are coming from our own industry: meat, poultry, fish, eggs, also coffee, chocolate, bread, and so on, also milk products, and also near and non-food products, personal care and home care products. But why is for us packaging much more than just packaging? And I will start with this image. Packaging is really interesting while we have three touch points with the customer. And the first touch point is when the customer makes the choice to take our products and not the product of the competitors. And for this part, there's requirement in the packaging for these 3 seconds. And then the second contact with the customer is then by using the packaging, the convenience on the packaging, and therefore there's other requirements and other expectation on the packaging. And the last contact is by disposal packaging, when the customer are looking what for material is it, where can I dispose it, and it's this time also others requirements. And our job is to address these trade-offs to make it useful, sinful for the customer. And just want to quick explain how we address it almost in a circular way of packaging. And we understand our role to keep the balance of the game. And this balance of the game will not be made from the C-suite or the CFO and CEO. It's not their job. For this balance, to keep the balance, is the job of the expert in the business. And therefore, we create this new, new working culture, and we make this winning team packaging in the Migros with packaging procurement, with packaging research and development, with packaging designs. All those guys who work with brands and the agency, and also with the sustainability team. And we say also the C-suite, if you have any questions about packaging, you can come to each other of us. We will find the rules and the right solutions to keep the balance for packaging. And therefore, we also set a common performance indicators to try to make it simple, to have a simple compass for the packaging. We have 3 dimensions: the dimension of product, protect the products. It's always common understanding, but we need to put it on top of the agenda. It's the main goal of packaging, to protect our products. And it's really relevant and need a clear strategy also for that. We will improve the customer experience, and also we will manage the resources efficiently, that is the sustainable, the resources, and also our costs of products. And when I'm come to what are we concrete options we are making on the market, I just put some options, because I think as a retailer, we need to give the customer some options. And our first options or daily work is to optimize our packaging to reduce the weight of resources using for package our goods. And the last 3 years, we save around about 7,000 tons of materials for a large type of products. And it's really one of the daily job of our packaging developers, and also to make it clear to marketing and also to production that we need to keep going on this way. There is also a lot of space to go further. It's really important. Second area is to narrate transparently also to our customer, and we have a similar scorecard as the one of from Food Packaging Forum. We already discussed about it, and we put this M-check with the stars on the products, and not only the product with 5 or 4 stars, but also the product with 1 star. It's for us really important to go to the customer with this information, and also it's really interesting because our marketing guys, they come to us and say, hey, I have just 3 stars, I want 4. And to make this discourse simple is really helpful to go in the right directions also internally. We have also our podcast to try to explain the packaging themes to the population, and also our own newspaper when we are coming with special themes. One other option is that the customer could bring their plastic and also brick Tetra Pak back to our stores. We want our waste back because we assume that's also our role to find solutions for this waste. And we're trying to make business models and also create packaging with increasing the recycling part. We also have product on the market in non-food area, and we are also trying to make it in food area as one option also for the customer. The next one is to put refill and options for the customer, and also rethink we concentrate product to that the customer can put water at home and don't transport water, and also bring dye back as a refill option, and also in our stores where the customer can come with his own package and fill it for non-food products, home care product, and also for food products, mostly dry fruits, nuts, and rice, and so on. And we already have around about 75,000 customers which are using this and show interest to use these options. You also see you can come with your egg package and full and don't need to take the carton parts. And the last part is to reinvent packaging, and we put last year on the market this coffee ball without plastic and bio packaging, 100% natural. We are doing it with alginate coating in different layer to have the properties of packaging, but every customer can through it when uses it in the garden, and then digest the products and then put it away without more waste. And just want to show you, it's really important to make this winning team between the expert internally, not to end in conflict, but to have the dialogue between the functions. It's really important to speak together with marketing, with brand management, with productions. I think it's the only way to go forward and to put solutions on the market. And also we need to be open to put solutions on the market, to try and to be in discussion with the customer and to show what's going on. It will be that the right solution, maybe not, maybe another one, but to be always trying to make it forward. That's was.
Thank you, Micaël. Thank you. Okay, we have a question. We have two. I will have to only take those two, I think. I'm afraid. Okay, no, I'll take a third one. Yep. Okay, we have three lined up, so we can start over here at the back.
Thank you for the presentation. I know that the reusable boxes are only used in the Migros restaurants. Do you have some plans to put reusables in your fresh products in the supermarkets, like salads and bowls and sushi maybe, or something like that?
We regularly challenge the system on how can we put those reusable systems for bowls, and one point we are already discussed at to have the facilitate the factories to wash it also in Switzerland, to close the loop, to have the factories to can use it also for food preparation without Pelz, also Schimmel. Fungen, yeah. But we regularly challenge the system, how can we put it also as option in the Migros.
Okay, please.
So thank you. It's very clear that Migros is concerned about sustainability, but I never once heard the phrase safe and sustainable in your presentation. And I define sustainable as including safety. What do you do to guarantee that the plastics you use or the plant-based materials that you use are also safe? Plant-based does not guarantee safety. The only thing that guarantees safety is testing.
What we do, we follow the actual regulation about food contact materials. And we are in this discussion also with the cantons, but we apply the legal requirement which are today's on the.
Of course, we are trying to change the legal
I know.
because we know they're not safe.
I know, and we are also with Jane in contact by BioSwiss to create together the new regulation or requirement on this. Yeah.
Okay, we have a question here.
Hello.
Yeah, it works. It works.
Yeah. So I'm aware that Migros and Alnatura are partners. How does the Migros sustainability movement for packaging and Alnatura packaging sustainability differ? And yeah.
Oh, can you repeat? I didn't.
So what differs with what? The sustainability
So
of packaging versus the general sustainability?
No, packaging of Migros products and Alnatura products, since Migros and Alnatura are partners.
The one thing in this direction, we can make trade-offs and put the sustainable packaging for all brands. In the discourse with brand management, with marketing, we really try to make a differentiation in the application step by step. Which brand do we, which are the needs of the all-natural customer and the need of the MBJ customer, and what are we doing as first step? Do we move MBJ to monomaterial and all-natural maybe to other, and don't have just one strategy for all products, but really be linked to the brand. And in this case, All-Natural has also his own customer who is needed.
Okay, thank you. So we have two more, and then we're done. So a quick one here, and then a quick one over here.
Okay, thank you. Thanks very much indeed for your presentation. I'm puzzled. I have a question. I try to buy organic from Migros, but they're always wrapped in plastic. Yet the non-plasticized covered vegetables are the normal ones. And it seems to me ridiculous that I'm paying extra for an organic product, but it's wrapped in plastic or some sustainable thing. Is there a way you can look at changing that it's the organic products remain pure. There's an extra price to that as well.
Okay.
For me, it was the system with the 3 dimensions, and in this case, also for vegetable, we need food protections, not to generate food waste, and we need to try to find the right way. We I had the well-known example with cucumber, and then yeah.
But your non-organic products are not wrapped in plastic. The organic products are signaled as organic because they're wrapped
To be distinguished as organic to the others.
to separate them, that they don't have to be wrapped in plastic.
Maybe.
Okay, but we'll go for one more. We'll go for one more.
Sorry. So I'm just curious. I just wanted to know how long did it take you to get to this point from when you started to think of moving to reusables in the chain, and what was the biggest challenge that you found while moving into this transition?
To reusable.
Into reusable, yeah.
I would say for me, the main part was clear to say to the marketing, we don't want all, also to the brand, we don't want all packaging reusable tomorrow. But to say, okay, let's move a budget to monomaterial, let's price product to monomaterials, and we take time for more sensible brands. And to have this discourse with other functions bring us that we can really move forward, and to not to be in conflict, but to have this common understanding of the goal. We have time, 2025, 2030, and we don't need to make tomorrow all things, but we need to make it together and in the right way. Don't to forget our customer too.
Okay, thank you so much, Micaël, for having shared all of that. I appreciate there's a lot of interest in getting these questions to various businesses, so we'll do our best.